Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the steamer, then wait until it's cool. This protects you and the device. Once cold, remove and empty the tank. Why? Because trapped water hides scale. You inspect the fill port, gasket, and nozzle and clear visible debris with a soft brush. Make sure to have distilled water on hand to prevent future buildup. Finally, set aside a small screwdriver and towel so you can access panels and catch any drips. Now you tackle mineral scale and internal inspection. Pour a 50/50 mix of white vinegar and distilled water into the tank and run the steamer or let soak for about 10 minutes to dissolve deposits. This targets why steam flow is weak. Next, open the service panel and visually inspect the heating element, thermal fuse, and wiring for corrosion or loose connections. Tighten screws as needed. Once done, flush the system with distilled. You finish by powering the unit and running it until consistent steam appears, about 2 to 3 minutes. This confirms the heating element and passages are clear. Make sure auto shutoff and handle controls respond. If they trip or feel loose, stop and inspect those switches. If steam remains weak or sputters, repeat the descaling procedure. Consider replacing the thermostat or heating element, or consult a certified technician, because electrical faults can be dangerous. One troubleshooting tip: if it clicks but no heat, check the thermal fuse first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.